In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can manage your communities and courses inside the GoKollab Studio. The GoKollab Studio is a centralized dashboard where you can manage all of your digital products in one place. Whether you're updating content, you're adjusting pricing, or maybe you're launching something new, how exciting! The GoKollab Studio keeps everything in one place so you can work smarter and faster. Let me show you how that looks like. So to access the GoKollab Marketplace, you can click on Memberships on the left, click on GoKollab Marketplace at the top, and then here you can see the access URL. Simply click on that, and you're being forwarded to GoKollab.com, which is another way to access GoKollab. Now you click Login top right corner, and please make sure this is the same login as you used for your location. If this is not the same email, you won't be able to see your courses and communities showing up that you've previously created here under courses and communities. So it must be the same user name, the same login details. Click login via Google or via your email. And once you're logged in, you will see your profile showing up top right corner. Click on that and click on GoKollab Studio. Now here on the left hand side, you can see your communities as well as your courses listed out. Within one click, you can list or delist your communities. Just click on the icon. And then there's a warning asking you, hey, do you really want to unlist it? If you wanted to unlist this particular community, simply click unlist, and it will be unlisted and blurred out. If you want to relist it, click the icon again and click list again. Also, if you click the three dots right here, you can preview your community. You can share it directly with somebody else. You can see your affiliates. Yes, affiliates can promote your community and can receive commission for it. Then you can go into the community settings and unlist it like I just showed you. Let's preview. And here you can see how it would look like from an outsider perspective. Let's click on share. And here the system creates a shareable link. You can click this button and the link has been copied. And then you can go off and share it to somebody you're talking to on LinkedIn, via email, via Facebook, wherever. You can also edit your link. So you click on edit and then you remove the numbers here. And then you add whatever you want to your URL. Hit save. And now we've changed the URL, launch your online course of Tina, for example, instead of these numbers. Next up, affiliates. So right here, you can see the entire dashboard of all your affiliates who are promoting your community. Let's go back. Let's click on community settings. And right here, you're being forwarded to the actual community itself. So the settings you will also be able to access within the community. And then here you can modify the specific settings that belong to this particular group. Let's move on to courses. The same thing applies here. If you want to delist it, click on the icon. Then the three dots have the same settings as we've just walked you through with the community. So you can preview your courses, you can share them, you can edit them, you have course settings, and you can unlist it. So here, if you click on edit course, you can directly add some content, remove content, modify different lessons, and so on and so forth, as if you would be inside the membership builder inside of your account itself. The cool thing here is you do not need to migrate anything over. The courses as well as the communities will automatically appear in this dashboard should you have created those inside the membership area of your location. So here on the memberships on the left, and then courses and communities at the top, this is the place where you create those digital products. Please note only then these digital products will show up on GoKollab. They will not show up if you're just an admin or a member of any community, for example, or you bought a course from somebody else. This will not show up here. The products that will show up here are the ones you have created yourself inside of your account. When editing your content, like the sales pages or the description for the community, for example, the sales pages for the courses and so on, please make sure they're perfectly polished before going live. And if you want to learn how to create an online course that actually sells, click the link around this video. There is a freebie that will give you the exact roadmap. And also next up, here is how to set up a course on GohighLevel.